Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will be comparing the spec sheet of the Samsung Galaxy A53 with the Samsung Galaxy A72. As you already know that the A series has been launched, there is a big upgrade in terms of processing power and they are bringing some improvement in them as well. Today a YouTuber Tech Wisely has given us a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A53 with the A72 from last year, which showcased that the processing power in the Samsung Galaxy A53 will be even faster as compared to last year A72, which was coming with a Snapdragon 720G processor inside. So definitely this is going to be a big upgrade in terms of performance from the last year model. Unfortunately, no headphone jack support and no charger is going to be coming this time around. These are the compromises you have to deal with the Samsung Galaxy A33, A73 and A53 devices. Anyhow, talking about the design, well, on the front we have the similar design as compared to last year model. 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate for the Galaxy A53, whereas the Galaxy A72 is coming with a 6.7-inch of Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz of refresh rate. Other things are same. We have the same Gorilla Glass 5 protection, same IP67 rating on both the devices. Both are coming with in-display fingerprint scanner support and both have small bezels all around. The only difference which we have seen for both of these devices is that A72 has a bigger screen as compared to A53. Rest of the specs on the front of the device are similar. It's also coming with similar punch hole camera cutout, which is coming with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera. Moving forward on towards the back side, here we have the similar squared camera bump on the back side, in which we have slightly new design. The ambient design has been available for the A53, whereas the A72 is coming with a similar squared camera bump. Well, moving on towards the camera sensor, both the devices are coming with a 64 megapixel of a main sensor with optical image stabilization support, 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera on both the devices, 5 megapixel of a macro shooter on both the devices. There is a difference in one camera sensor, like A53 is coming with a 5 megapixel of a depth sensor, whereas 8 megapixel of a telephoto lens with optical image stabilization and up to 3 times of optical zoom capability is coming in the A72. So as far as the camera performance is concerned, both are going to be exactly same. Moving on towards the internals, here the fun begins, because the Galaxy A53 is coming with new Exynos 1280 processor inside, which has better performance as compared to the A72. And as you can see in the video, that the boot up time and the even apps loading time is faster in the A53 as compared to A72, which is coming with the Snapdragon 720G processor inside. Both the devices are going to be coming with 3 configuration, like 6 128, 8 128 and 8 256 GB of storage option, and also along with that we see a micro SD card slot support for both of these devices. Battery wise, both the devices are coming with a massive 5000 mAh of a battery cell. A fast charging of 25 watt is supported in both of these devices, and that is pretty much it. So guys, I think the Galaxy A53 will be a better choice if you wanted to buy as compared to A72, because its processor is inferior. So my recommendation, A53 is better choice. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.